Hey boys and girls, we are going to quickly review some vocabulary for division, including our friend here, which is called the remainder. So here I've already have a division equation that I've set up. This is called your division house. And let's talk about this number right here. This 18 represents the dividend. This 4 outside is called the divisor. This 4 here is your quotient. And this guy here is your remainder. So what does all this mean? Well, let's talk about the dividend. The dividend is the total number of objects that you are separating or sharing or dividing equally into groups. Your divisor is the number of groups that you are creating or how many you are putting in each group, how many objects from your dividend that you're going to put in each of your groups. And your quotient is the answer to your division problem. It tells us how many equal groups we could make of whatever your divisor is. And your remainder is what's left over. You don't have enough to make another equal group. So your remainder is what is left over. You don't have enough to make an equal group. And your remainder is always going to be less than your divisor. That makes sense, because if your remainder was 5, then we would have another group of 4. So keep that in mind when you use your division. All right, so let's see if I have a word problem here that I'm going to find us, I think. Hold on just a second. Here's one right here we can use. So let's use this word problem here and identify the divisor, the dividend, and the quotient here. Rebecca made 36 cookies for the school bake sale. If she puts 5 cookies in a bag, how many bags will she use? Okay. So the 36 cookies represents her total. That's the total number of objects that she has that she's going to share, divide equally. So 36 is our dividend from our story. 5, she's going to put 5 cookies in a bag. That's how many she's going to put in each of her bags. That's how many groups or how many she will have in each group. That is your divisor. That is called your divisor is 5. Now when we do the division, the answer will be the quotient. So let's set this up using our division boxes. We have 3 10s, 6 1s, and we are going to divide 5 into 36. We know that we cannot make a group of 5 out of 3. Now we're going to multiply, subtract, and bring up. So what can we multiply 5 times to get us closest to 36 without going over? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 35 is too much. I'm sorry, 35 is just right. 40 is too much. So we can make 7 equal groups of 5, which is 35. I'm going to multiply, subtract, and we have 1 left over. So we have a remainder of 1. So let's look back at the question. Rebecca made 36 cookies for the school bake sale. If she puts 5 cookies in a bag, how many bags will she use? Well, what does the 7 tell us? Remember, this was our cookies, 36 cookies. We're going to put 5 cookies in each bag. The quotient represents how many bags of 5 cookies. She has 7 bags of 5 cookies. But she has 1 cookie left over. So here we can say that she will use 7 bags because she does not have enough to make another bag of 5 cookies. So she'll probably have to eat that one. That sounds like a good thing to me. All right. Enjoy your lesson today. Email me if you have any questions. Thank you.